Now we're going to look at the conference configurations. So when you select a particular conference configuration, what it does is it again creates a hotspot on the main admin, that is the chat admin. Once you've created a conference hotspot from here, like we did for the meeting room, it's going to take you to the conferencing platform. Now the conferencing platform that we've developed on Platoo works with a very user-friendly interface. All you have to do is click on a particular hotspot that we just created from this option right here for the conference room configurations. Once you've done that, you can, once you click on the hotspot, it will immediately take you to a conference call that would be happening as such right now. Since I'm the only user on this platform right now, I'm the only one that is being displayed here. But if I have other people who join this particular conference, so for example, this is the chat admin, all I've done is I've clicked on the conference option and this has opened this particular video. It has opened this particular window. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I've got some dummy names here which I'll be using for explaining how it works. So in case if you have 10 or more people on the conference call with you, in that case, the moment you select a particular user from here, that particular user would be positioned as the main speaker or the keynote speaker. So you can select any person from here and that person would have the center stage or in a manner of speaking. So that is how you can configure which particular speaker is displayed in the center of the screen. So if you notice, since I disabled, the access from the main ID, I've been moved out from the center screen. So it's a very simple principle. Everybody who joins the conference call will be displayed in a neat list here, and you will be able to select which particular user you want to give the center stage. This is why you have picked this option right here. So this is how the conference room works. You can simply enable the rights for having a keynote speaker, and that particular speaker would be displayed right in the center. So this can be used for two-way communications with your key guests on the platform.